In this class, we're going to go over how to do a skin pen treatment with 3 different machines. And what I mean by 3 different machines, they do different functionalities because most of them are a plug-in type of machine where you have to have a cord or wire attached to them because they have different voltage. Some are portable now to where you have a lithium ion battery and it comes off, and this is just your power unit, your battery. Very lightweight, recharges in about 4 hours, maybe 3 hours, give or take, depending on your charger or where you're plugging in your units. This one right here, probably with an iPhone charger, yeah, it may take maybe even 2.5 hours, possibly 2. Very fast, it's quick. But my cord, the one that I have that I bought for it, it only accepts the one for the 3-hour charge to 4 hours. And that's only because this model, I bought this model in 2009. It's been some years. So that's why I have the older model, but it's still portable. It's wireless. Perfect. And it comes with different heads for the needles. Dermal roller, even, well, not even, but a lot older than any of these models. This is like the first. The reason why this model looks a little bit newer is just because it's a new plastic casing that it has. Its little coffin, so the body's inside. You put the coffin over, open. But anyway, we respect the dead. We respect God. Bless us all. And it looks aerodynamic and sleek because, yeah, it is. They actually changed the formulations of it because the older dermal rollers, they had like a different handle. It wasn't always plastic and nice. It had a little grip right here. Oh no, it was old school. Most of them were bigger and they were heavier. They hurt people. So now it's nice and light and aerodynamic. This bowl right here. So this is a water, but it's going to be a cleaning bowl as well. It's just a cleaning bowl. So what you would need, you already have your ultrasonic scrubber, and it's the LW006 model, as you can see. I will have a description and a link below to where you guys can purchase these items, no problems. Don't even worry about it. This is your conducting gel, my serum basically. Conducting gels I really don't use too much, but I use my serum gel for the face, like a mask. And you're going to need that for all of these items. You're going to need a fan brush. You're going to need your skin pen with a cartridge because the cartridge goes on top of it. You're also going to need your dermal roller with the coffin case. Take the coffin case off. Okay. You're going to also need gloves. You're going to need some barbicide for cleaning. Barbicide. This barbicide is going to actually go into your bowl. So this bowl, that's what this is for. So I should put that right over here next to it. I don't know why I got it over there. So these two go together. So you can clean these heads. You definitely need to clean after every use, okay? And then you're going to put it in a UV sanitizer after that so it can dry and completely get off any type of bacteria, fungus, I don't know, anything else that may be hindering on the needles. You don't clean these because you're going to throw these away. As I stated in the earlier video, so the earlier video I was talking about how the ultrasonic scrubber I normally try to use first before I use a skin pen treatment, but not always. You can use your ultrasonic scrubber without your skin pen treatment. You don't always have to do a skin pen treatment at all. No. I just use it in conjunction with this when I'm doing a combo treatment, when I'm doing a combination of treatments. And so what I mean by that is I'm going to do a cleansing of the face, analyze the face. I see acne. So acne, I'm going to do extractions. After extractions, I'm going to tone the skin out again, put pH balance back in the skin, and to close those pores, tighten them up. Then after I do that, I might even steam the face to open up the other areas of the face, but I'm going to leave this area closed with the toner, or leave it on there. And the other side of the face, I'm not going to tone the whole entire face, just the places where I popped acne. So I want to heat the other sides of the face open so the pores will be open to be more receptive for my mask. So say after I do dermaplaning, the skin is still open. I do dermaplaning and I want certain products and creams and serums and hyaluronic acid and other serums to really get down in there and to penetrate the skin. So after the dermaplaning, that dermaplanes off any type of dead skin that's hard and harsh that a scrub can't get. I want to penetrate it with, or after the dermaplaning, with my gel or serum, put that on hyaluronic acid, and then I want to use my skin scrubber. A continuous roll without stopping. The more you stop, the more pain they have. So you're just going nice and slow. So from here, I want to go back down. And I'm going to start at a 0.5 is where I always start at. Always, 0.5. Alright, and so we turn it on. Oh, it's ready. Make sure your chamber or your cartridge is on tight. Lefty loosey, righty tighty, okay? So right on top of the forehead, all I'm going to do is go over the forehead nice and slow. And if you turn the person's head to the side, you just ask them to roll their head over, and then you can go down to the sides of the face, or you can come up, either or. This is the only pen that you can do the circles. You can go diagonal, vertical, horizontal, whatever you want to go, zigzag. You can do it.